It's the Army's 250th birthday. What is a great way to celebrate? A festival, of course. Join me as the grassy expanse of the National Mall transforms into an elaborate display of all things Army. Here we will find a myriad of vehicles and equipment, many of which are hands-on to the public. We will see interactive activity stations as well as plenty of soldiers assisting participants. And let's not forget about the live music and formal ceremonies performed at the stage in the center. Basic training starts now.
No, we're Army Spouses of the Year.
He's the current Army spouse.
Or it'll be Fort Belvoir, that's one. Right. Very good.
Our nation's wars for 250 years. But it is not only just soldiers who serve. Since 1775, U.S. Army soldiers, civilians, and their families have supported our nation. They're in true faith and allegiance to our country, the U.S. Constitution, and the Army. For over 250 years, Army families have served and sacrificed to support the Army and their soldiers. And for that, we are deeply grateful. It speaks to the enduring truth that no one truly serves alone. There is always a brother and sisters in arms with you, a family member who encourages you, a community who cares for you, and organizations like Wounded Warrior Project who stand ready to support you while you serve and as you transition. Caring for our people is at the heart of Wounded Warrior Project's mission, just as it is for the Army. And we are committed to keeping the promise we made to warriors and their families who serve, a commitment to be there no matter what.
Years, amazing. To everybody who's served in the Army, who's there, who has served in the Army, currently serving in the Army, welcome. We are happy to be sponsoring the entertainment of Scotty Hastings and Noah Hicks today. The Gary Sinise Foundation has thousands and thousands and thousands of donors who all care about our military, they care about our service members, they care about our U.S. Army, and they wanted to be a part of this great event in celebration of 250 years of the U.S. Army. I am a grateful American for all you do to defend freedom, to protect our country, and God bless you. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy the entertainment. God bless you and God bless America. Thank you very much.
So they were giving these booklets out at the entrance. And you can see here it says Army Birthday Festival and 250 U.S. Army. This will defend, which is the motto of the Army, established 1775. And on the bottom, it says National Mall, Washington, D.C., and the date again. And this part's pretty cool. You have on the left a Revolutionary War soldier, and on the right a modern-day soldier, both Army, of course. And on the back, there is the Army song with its lyric and a color guard. And I'll show you the inside here. So sequence of events, there's a whole rundown of the day. And then the last thing at 4 o'clock is the official ceremony, which is outlined on the next page. So this was everything going on for the ceremony until it ended. And then these were the musical groups that were playing. Army Birthday Festival. And here's more about the Army's birthday. And then we have a page dedicated to the sponsors. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the Army Festival. And today, specifically, is the exact 250th anniversary of the U.S. Army. It was June 14th, 1775, that the Army was established. Today is June 14th, 2025. So this festival is on the exact day. It's not that it's being celebrated today. It's not like it's going to a Halloween party on a Saturday night when Halloween is on a Tuesday. Nope, it's not like that. It was exactly today. And next will be the parade. So I will be heading over there in just a minute. There's a whole other set of security to go through to get into that. You would think this whole thing would be connected, but it's not. So you basically have to leave here, go out into a public area, and then re-enter a different security, which is basically right behind me. So the parade is going to be on that section behind me of the National Mall, or next to the National Mall over there. But again, I will cover all this stuff in the next videos about the parade itself. So guys, I will see you over there, and I will see you at the parade. This is Vigoroso, off to the next cool spot. Take care, guys.